Attention all Saab fans! A load of 9.3 prototypes that were left at the factory in Trollhättan are coming up for auction, and they'll all be sold with no reserve. In total, 7 9-3s currently owned by Nevs, National Electric Vehicle Sweden, will be auctioned by Klaravik, with the online listings opening for bids on 21 May. The hammers will then fall on 30 May with an event at the factory, and we're told the public can attend free of charge to get one last look. Sad times.
The prototypes include an electric 9.3 that was built in China but developed in Trollhättan and which now has over 20,000 miles on its clock. There's also a pre-prod all-wheel drive EV with 4 in-wheel motors, yep, like the Emily GT, while another is powered by an electric motor but features a petrol range extender.
The final prototype is an EV with a heap of autonomous kit, including GPS, LiDAR, and cameras. Could be a self-driving bargain. 3 pre-production 9.3s from Nev's attempted restart of production in 2014 are also heading up for sale, making them some of the last Saabs ever built.